Rust and corrosion eating away at your metals? Hard water scales and biofilms being difficult to deal with? What if we told you there's a simpler way to deal with all these problems with one solution? GreenWonder 640 Gel. GreenWonder 640 Gel is totally safe, non-hazardous, non-toxic and non-polluting cleaning gel. Whether it be stainless steel, aluminum, etc. GreenWonder 640 Gel is a revolutionary biodegradable gel which cleans the metal without affecting its original surface finish. And the best part is that it's incredibly easy to use. Use it on already installed plants, tanks, pipelines, SS items like railings in commercial and residential areas, automotive, farming equipment, coastal area corrosions, etc. Any area where rust is an issue. Stir it well before use. Take out the required quantity of GreenWonder 640 gel separately. Use a plastic brush to apply it to the surface of the chosen metal. Now let the gel rest for minimum 10 minutes or more, depending upon the quantity and quality of rust and corrosion. Give GreenWonder 640 gel enough contact time, but don't let it dry. While it's wet, clean it with soft water or RO water. The product covers around 40 to 50 square feet per kg and lasts up to a year when stored in a closed plastic container. GreenWonder 640 Gel is completely safe and non-hazardous. Clearly, defeating rust and corrosion is much simpler now with GreenWonder 640 and increase life of our costly assets and save on labor. This battle is ours.